name is Robert Serumaga, the academic registrar, Luyanzi Institute of Technology, located in Bweyogerere, Buto Road. Luyanzi Institute of Technology started way back in 2019 and is fully registered by different authorizing bodies, including the Ministry of Education and Sports under the TVET department. We also are accredited by UVTAP, which formerly UBTEB, and DIT. We are also registered by the National Council for Higher Education for all our diploma courses. We offer courses at both certificate and the diploma levels, and all courses take 2 years. We also run short courses, especially in holidays, and those courses usually take 1 month to 3 months, depending on the course. The courses that we offer at the diploma level include the diploma in Chinese language and culture, information and communications technology, electrical engineering and civil engineering, have a diploma in fashion and textile science, and then a diploma in hotel and institutional catering. We also offer certificate courses in different courses. We have 2 main intakes. The intake for certificate students is usually January to March, and the one for diploma is August. So I urge everyone to join the Luyanzi Institute of Technology to advance in all those courses that we offer in a more professional, and all our students get jobs because we give them all the best.